All right, we're into the fall market. I mean, Labor Day is come and gone. I mean, this whole year is come and gone. When you can start smelling the spiced pumpkin lattes, you know that winter's not far behind. Now, here are some of the things that you should do before winter comes around. You want to trim some of the dead trees around your yard. You probably want to mow the lawn and rake the leaves. I mean, it's a pain in the butt, but this makes it easier for your grass to grow come springtime. You also want to clean your gutters because of all these leaves. You don't want it to be clogged up, and over the winter, your gutters are going to freeze, cause some cracks, then it causes more work for you to do next year. Now, if you're afraid of heights, don't worry. There are companies you can get to come climb up onto your roof and clear out those eaves troughs. Another thing you want to do is check the exterior. You want to make sure that there aren't little holes or openings for little animals to come enjoy the warmth of your home. Obviously, the chimney should be blocked off because, squirrels can climb up like anything. Do you really want to hear footsteps, like little footsteps, all times of night? And do you really want to climb up into your attic and chase them out? Good luck. Hope you don't fall through the ceiling. You also want to make sure you have emergency kits in your house. In case there's power outages in the cold, you want to have some candles, maybe some blankets, a wind-up radio in case you have no cell service or internet or anything at all. In this time and age, you can radio in some help. Obviously, flashlights. I mean, in case your phone doesn't have one, make sure you have extras. The most important thing you need to do is make sure you shut off the exterior water. Now, there's usually a little shut-off valve in the basement, probably in the front of the house, back of the house, or wherever the hose would be outside. You want to make sure you shut off the water from the inside, because the last thing you know, if you paid attention in chemistry, is that water expands when it gets cold. So you want to make sure that all the water is shut off from the outside, because once it gets cold to the minus degrees, the last thing you need is water that's still in the pipes to burst. Anyways, this isn't a conclusive list. There's a bunch of other things you need to do, but these are probably some of the more common ones or more important ones that you should probably look into doing before the snow hits the ground. And really, before you know it, we're gonna be in January. So get started, and if you need any help, we're here to help. If you have any questions, let us know. And until then, we'll see you next Wednesday.